In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make recurring plans in HoneyBook. If you offer services that bill on a regular cadence like monthly retainers or weekly sessions, a recurring plan keeps everything on track without you rebuilding the same invoice over and over. Start by opening HoneyBook and heading to the top right corner of your screen. Click the plus button. This is your shortcut to creating new items. From the menu that appears, choose Recurring Invoice. This is the tool designed for ongoing billing and makes it simple to set up a plan that repeats on a schedule. Next, you'll see the option to choose a template or start from a blank invoice. Templates are great if you have a common setup you use frequently because they come preloaded with items and structure. If your plan is unique or you're creating it for the first time, start with a blank version. Either way, you can customize everything you see, so pick the path that helps you move fastest. Once you're in the editor, customize the invoice details, give the plan a clear title so you can recognize it later. Add your services or products with straightforward descriptions and pricing, and adjust quantities or rates as needed. If you use taxes or discounts, include those now so each recurring invoice calculates correctly. Clarity here saves questions down the road, so write it as if your client is seeing it for the first time every time. Now set the repetition. You can repeat the invoice every day, weekly, monthly, or yearly. Choose a cadence that matches your service. For example, monthly is common for retainers, weekly might fit coaching or classes, and yearly could be ideal for annual subscriptions. Think about when your clients prefer to be billed. Aligning the schedule with their expectations can reduce confusion and help payments stay consistent. As you fine-tune the schedule, consider the rhythm of your work. If you deliver mid-month, aligning the invoice timing around delivery can make the experience feel natural. Likewise, weekly plans benefit from picking a consistent day to keep things predictable. Before you wrap up, take a moment to review what you customized. Make sure line items, pricing, and the repeat frequency match what you intend. A quick check now prevents edits later and ensures your recurring plan runs smoothly once it starts. That's all you need to make a recurring plan in HoneyBook. Click the plus button, select recurring invoice, choose a template or go blank, customize your details, and set the repeating schedule to daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. With these steps, you'll have a reliable billing workflow that saves time and keeps your business organized.